This is Zealot S67. In this video I will be unboxing, having a speaker test and checking the battery capacity. Allow me to unbox first. This is Zealot S67, with battery capacity of 12,000 mAh LiPo battery life, up to 40 hours playtime. But don't think it has power bank capability. 5.0 Bluetooth version. 10-meter distance means that the distance between the speaker and Bluetooth source can play 75 watts of speaker output power. Then using USB Type-C interface, Bluetooth, AUX SD card connectivity. So inside the box is this one-piece audio cable, which means that this will be used to connect into AUX port, from music device source going to speaker. Then a Type-C charging cable. I guess that this is now a standard USB cable. In that case, well, it is great, because plugging in is no longer a problem. Then a strap. The device doesn't have handles. Well, it is designed for outdoor usage. I do understand also that carrying this by hand's not good due to the weight, so carrying through shoulder strap is more easy. And of course the instructions manual with English and Chinese translation. And then the device itself, the Zealot S67. The quality of the device for me is excellent, though it's quite heavy considering the battery capacity and materials used. Well, nothing to complain about. All buttons are placed on top, and later we will check those functions. Because this is IPX6 waterproof rated, all ports are located here and with cover. Those 5 dots serves as battery light indicator, which it is great because you will notice it easily if it runs out of battery. Red color, this is the sound quality. For stereo button, this will be used if you have 2 Zealot S67 speaker. You may connect those 2 devices playing simultaneously, adding it with greater sound effects. By doing long press the plus or negative button, means selecting for previous or next song choice. Then by short press means increasing or decreasing the volume. Then the mode button, which means you are selecting either the Bluetooth, AUX, flash drive, or USB, or the SD card.
Bluetooth. USB. AUX.
the maximum volume level, you will hear this sound.
USB. TF card. Low battery. Please charge.
If it's low battery, the light indicator will keep on blinking, and a voiceover will notify. So I will check the battery using this tester if it really has 12,000 mAh battery capacity. So it uses 5 volts and 2 ampere input power capacity as my tester reading. Then the red light indicator will turn on, and when it is full, the light will turn off. By the way, I purchased this through Temu online shopping app. They give a very reasonable price at that time because when they offer this for first-time users of the app, they give a very friendly discount. So that's why I have this device. And up till now, as I uploaded this video, Temu gives a very generous discount of their products. I'm just amazed that carrying like this isn't really as heavy and it really looks small. But listening the quality of the sound, oh, it's a way bigger. I'm really satisfied with this product. Sound quality, big check. Build quality, big check as well. Endurance of the battery, big check also. And let's admit it, turning the sound very high will disturb your neighbors. Unless your house is soundproofing, then there's no problem at all. As you notice, it weighs 2,031 grams. Then for almost 8 hours of charging, it has 11,396 mAh battery capacity. Indeed, as the manuals say, it has 12,000 mAh battery capacity. Well, it is correct. And in my test using this device, it takes almost 34 hours of usage. Wow, absolutely, this device is really recommended. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe. Your comment highly appreciated as well.